Hello guys, have a nice day. Welcome to my channel. We have here a one piece of $2 of Canada. Here guys, $2 Canada by Elizabeth II, DJ Regina, year 2005. Here guys. Okay, we have here one piece Canadian dollars, year 2005. Okay, so rated siya, rated guys. Okay, $2 of Canada, Elizabeth DJ Regina 2005. Okay guys, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Thank you.